keep on dropping my food on the floor. Jesus. If you guys loved that pizza casserole that I made, you're gonna love what I'm making today. All right, let's start off by adding 1.5 pounds of ground beef and some onions. We'll get this all browned up and the onions al dente, and then we will continue. All right, so my hamburger and onions are cooked and drained. Now I'm going to add some pepper, some salt, some Italian seasoning, about a teaspoon, and a great big teaspoon of minced garlic. And we stir. Let's give the garlic a couple minutes just to get fragrant, because we all love the smell of garlic. And onions, by the way. So now I'm going to add about, I don't know, this much pizza sauce. I'm kind of using the leftovers from my RV. And if you are a RVer, you know what I'm talking about. You've got 2 homes that you stock, and at the end of the season, you have 2 of everything. Okay, I'm just going to let that simmer for a couple minutes. While that's finishing, I will peel a couple russet potatoes. When they're cold. It's harder to peel them when they're cold. I like putting a piece of paper towel down just for easy cleanup when I'm peeling potatoes. Okay, check this. Okay, I'm going to use my cheese shredder to shred the potatoes. I kind of want them really thin because when they're in the bottom of the casserole, I want it to cook quickly. That's why I'm using this. One at a time. I knew I was going to drop something on the floor. All right. Potatoes. All right, let's get my 9x13 casserole dish sprayed. Now we're going to add a bunch of potatoes to the bottom of the dish. I added about half. And just kind of even them out. I'm going to add about half of my meat mixture. I keep on dropping my food on the floor. Jesus. Now, what is a pizza casserole without your pepperoni and other toppings. So I'm gonna add, I don't think I'm gonna add all this pepperoni to this pizza because it's a lot, but I'm gonna add a layer of pepperoni. You can have whatever meat you choose. Then I'm gonna add some of my vegetables, which is some red pepper and jalapeno, some pizza sauce, that much. And if you've watched my videos in the past, you know that I don't like buying shredded cheese because it's not the same, but I was camping and I don't shred my own cheese when I'm camping. So I will add a layer of cheese. I'm not adding that much cheese. I'm trying to keep it like half-ass healthy. I'm gonna add more potatoes. This is gonna be so good, you guys. I'm just gonna add the rest of them. And again, just make sure they're all even. I'm gonna add the rest of my meat mixture. I don't know why I cook so much food all the time. It's only my husband and I. All right. Just more red pepper and jalapeno. Oh, is there anything else? I don't think so. And I'm just gonna top this off. Just a couple slices of pepperoni. I'll save some for my husband. He likes just to pop it in his mouth. More pizza sauce. Oh, might have to open another one. Let's open another one. It already looks delicious, you guys. Oh my gosh. A little bit more cheese. I will put the recipe down below for you guys. Oh, I can hardly wait to eat supper tonight. All right, so we're gonna cover it and into a 375 oven for about an hour. And we will check back. All right, guys, it's been an hour. My house smells amazing. I'm sitting on my back deck right now having a beer, and my house smells amazing when I walk into it. So let's see how this casserole is. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, it looks delicious. It looks absolutely delicious. I'll show you guys. If you love ground beef, and if you love potatoes, and if you love pizza, this is what you need to have for supper. I'm not going to taste it because it's really hot. I'm not going to burn my face off. But my God, you guys, you got to make this. It's just going to be a good dinner, guys. Thanks for watching. And I will post that link about the pizza casserole that I made, I think it was last month. I think it was in August. And people are just going crazy over it. So try that pizza casserole and try this and then tell me what's your favorite. Gotta go eat. Bye guys.